In this video, I'll show you how to automate contracts in Hubspot using e-signatures and Google Docs. To get started, head over to your Hubspot account. Before that, make sure you've already prepared your contract template in Google Docs. For example, I have my template ready in Google Docs and named it Residential Rental Lease Agreement. Once your document is ready, go back to Hubspot and head over to Integrations. If you can't find it, use the search bar and search for Integrations, then click on All Integrations. From here, search for Google Drive. We need to connect Google Drive to Hubspot so your documents can sync properly. You'll see a few options, but for this example, select the Google Drive app by HubSpot. Click on Install, then click on Connect Google Drive and sign in with your Google account to complete the connection. After Google Drive is connected, the next step is to enable e-signatures in HubSpot. Go to your HubSpot settings by clicking the gear icon or searching for Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Objects and scroll down until you find Quotes. Click on Quotes, then enable the e-signature option, and you can configure the settings based on your preferences. Keep in mind that this feature is only available on upgraded HubSpot plans, so you'll need to upgrade your plan to use e-signatures. Once your account is upgraded and e-signatures are enabled, go to Sales and then head over to Quotes or Documents. Click on Upload a Document, then choose to upload from your computer or directly from Google Drive. After uploading your contract template, you can proceed to send it out for signature and complete the agreement. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.